I was having a great time. I was in her apartment and I go to the bathroom. I woke up before her because I was jet lagged. I have my shower and I didn't realize that I had a shower with such piping hot water that the egg cooked in my hair. And so there was like scrambled egg on the floor of the tub. And there were like chunks of strawberries everywhere. And I was like, whatever, like the price of beauty, I guess. And then I just went about my day, and then I was sitting outside and I was watching TV, and Khushi goes in the bathroom, and I hear this scream, like she has screamed, like I don't know what has happened, and she was like, "Get out of my apartment! You have made my bathroom like the back area of like some dirty restaurant." um, so yeah, that was the last time we shared a room. And but yeah, like I mean, right now I've just come from London and it was very cold over there. And I think one thing that helps me a lot is I always wake up. I have a spoonful of ghee, and I don't know if you guys can tell. I've developed this rash on my elbows, and it's like, and my skin got very dry in the weather, so I just put like some ghee on it, and it's helping. So ghee to the rescue. Even on flights, actually, like when my lips get dry, I ask for butter and I put it on my lips.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, I truly believe ghee works after, of course, being so close to her and seeing that it's working for her. That's fantastic. So, Aman, tell us about your skincare tips. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Even your skin is glowing, by the way.
It's the light. But not just unique experiences, but unique recipes also coming now. You know,
Absolutely coming our way. Janvi, tell us, where are you going to travel next on Airbnb? Any of the icons that we revealed that excites you?
I really want to go to the Up House. Yeah, I mean, New Mexico was actually one of the first places I traveled to as a kid. I think I was only a couple of months old when Dad took us there for the shoot of his film Pukar. And that was the last time I went, and I haven't been since, so I've always wanted to go. And it's the Up House, of course I want to go.
Wow. Hopefully, we'll make that happen. But I know Janvi has a lot going on already, so I wish we make that happen really soon. And on that note, I'm going to actually open up the stage to all of you for questions. We'll unfortunately have to keep it really short because Janvi has like a really, really packed schedule. She has some amazing movies coming up, as we all know. So she has a lot going on. But yeah, we're going to open it up for some questions. Just introduce yourself and then you can go ahead.
Hello. Yeah. Hi, Janvi. I'm Tarini. You look absolutely gorgeous today.
Thank you, hi.
Since you've traveled the world so much and you've traveled a lot with your family, what is one destination you'd give to every Indian family that they should go and visit this summer?
Did you say this summer?
Yeah.
This summer, I don't know, because every place in the world is seeming like they're going through their own sort of weather, like hazardous weather turmoil. But one place that I would encourage everyone to go, and I think this is a very predictable answer coming from me, is Tirupati. Because it's just, I mean, I need to go once every couple of months to just center myself to, it just feels great. I feel like myself every time I go. I think it humbles you. It makes you feel calm. It makes you feel connected to something bigger than yourself. And I think for me, it also reminds me of my roots in many ways. So, and if not Tirupati, I think whichever place makes you feel like you're more connected to your roots. I think it's so important to know where you come from, what your ancestral heritage is. I think it, in a way, encourages you to get to know yourself better and therefore deal with the world in a calmer, healthier way. So yeah, that helps me, and I would encourage everyone else to hopefully adapt a similar outlook.
Hello. Hi, my name is Muskan.
Hi, Muskan. Oh, one of my best friends' names is Muskan.
Oh, that's so cute. I just want to know that in your house that we were just shown, do you think there will be some sort of spiritual connect because we see you, being on this spiritual journey? So do you think we will feel those vibes when we are hopefully there? And any memory you have in that house?
100%. I think we've made a lot of great memories there. So I definitely think there's a very positive energy in the house. And so many times I've seen the most beautiful sunsets in that house. Like, I'm not lying, the sky, there's a gazebo, I don't know if they showed it to you in the video.
They did.
That overlooks the beach, and the sky has literally turned like blue and pink and purple so many times, and you just sit in that gazebo and it's beautiful. And I remember we've spent a lot of mom's birthdays there, my birthday, dad's birthday. In fact, towards the end of it, we couldn't really spend as much time there because we had to refurbish the house. And so mom was thinking of doing a lot of things. She wanted to make it a hotel. And she wanted to, and that's why I think the fact that Airbnb came into our lives was, I mean, I think it was always part of a plan. And then dad redid the whole house after she passed. And then we went back after a couple of years. And of course, we were all dealing with all of it still at that point. But I remember when we went back after Papa did up the whole house again, redid it, as an ode to mom, I remember he kept saying, I need to do it for her, I need to do it for her. And then when he did up the whole house, and I think we brought in his birthday there, and it was the first time I think he tried celebrating his birthday after she passed. I have this vivid memory that after 2-3 years, it was the first time I saw my dad allowing himself to start enjoying himself again, or to like start feeling happy again. And I think that is one of my most vivid memories in this house as well, because I think I saw my dad trying to come back to himself a little bit after this tragedy. And I think all of the amazing memories that we've had in that house encouraged him and allowed him to do that. So yeah, I definitely think it's got a good energy.
Thank you for sharing that. Like, I feel so grateful you're sharing that with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi, Janvi. Hi, Aman. Just a question, Aman, to you on the icons. So this year, how many icons are we going to see on the platform, especially coming from India? And the second is also about how do you incentivize partnerships with icons now?
And how Airbnb is ensuring that ये fandom घर तक वापस ना जाए या फिर घर गंदा ना हो या कुछ नुकसान ना पहुंचे?
देखो, मैं बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ अपने फैंस पर, आप सब पर, शायद ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा करती हूँ. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ Airbnb पर. आई थिंक इट्स बिन सो मेनी इयर्स. They're known for their credibility, their immaculate sense of keeping the hosts and the visitors happy. So that relationship of trust is there. And yeah, I think as far as it comes to letting people in, like I said before, I think we as a family for a very long time were always exploring the idea of sharing this property with people. And it just never fit before, but with Airbnb it did, because we've had great memories there, and it's the kind of space that we didn't feel like we needed to keep only to ourselves. It's a huge property, it's got a lot to offer, and हम सब मिल बांट कर खुशी खुशी साथ में रह सकते हैं ना. मैं भी जाती रहूंगी, आप भी आते रहो.
तो ऐसा भी कभी सरप्राइज मिलेगा फैन को कि उसने Airbnb बुक किया है और शायद जानवी भी उस समय रह रही है,
मैं किचन में अंडे पका रही हूँ,
या आप कंटिन्यू रखेंगी उस घर में, ट्रैवल कर रही हैं अगर आप चेन्नई उस घर में रहना, और इज इट लाइक एक्सक्लूसिवली नाउ फॉर Airbnb?
It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's
Yeah.
not exclusively with Airbnb. There's a deal that's been discussed and locked, but and we're all mutually happy with the
Yes.
agreement that we've come to. So
So,
yeah.
Pose for some pictures. Janvi, shall we?
Yes. Thank you so much. Should we go ahead of the lightest? I think the lights. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you so much, Aman.
Thank
we
you.
have the refreshments ready at the Quarter Cafe.